tonight's dinner is chicken and waffles. So I'm going to take this opportunity to show you how to make waffles without using any grains. Here we go. First thing we're going to do is put 8 eggs into a mixing bowl. So this is just a regular old ordinary ripe banana. It doesn't have to be super mega ripe, just a ripe banana. I'm going to mash it. There's the banana in with the eggs. I'm going to add about a half a cup of coconut milk, about a quarter cup of coconut oil, and mix that all up. So the banana doesn't super duper want to get mixed up very well, but that's okay. You can either go with this and have kind of some banana lumps a little bit, if that doesn't bother you, which it doesn't bother me, or I'm going to show you how to make it smoother once we have all the ingredients in there. Okay, the next two things going in here are a half a cup of coconut flour, plus the other thing that was in there was a teaspoon of baking soda. I'm putting in a little vanilla, like about a teaspoon or so. And it's kind of a cold, wet day today, which is weird because that doesn't happen very often in Tucson. So I'm just kind of warming this all up a little bit with a little cinnamon and a little nutmeg. So that's going in too, but those are optional. You certainly do not have to put in cinnamon and nutmeg. Okay, so you can see that we have everything in here. It's kind of lumpy. No big deal. Like I said, you can totally just cook them lumpy. But I'm going to use the hand blender and mix it up so it'll be nice and smooth. We're just going to scoop it, put it in the waffle iron. That is all heated up here for us. I've had people tell me that they have good luck with this recipe just putting all the ingredients into a blender and blending it up, and that seems like a super smart, handy idea because then you can just pour it from the blender into the waffle iron. But anyway, we're going to close this up. There we go. That's the first one done.